Hi, we're Steve and Audra, and we have been having an absolute blast exploring the coast of Maine as we travel in our self-converted Ford Transit camper van that we live in full-time with our cat. No, not this cat. It's a new day. Well, new to you guys. We've been at it for a while today. We started at Walmart, doing some work in the van, and then we went to the library and had a marathon time there. Now it's, I think, a little after 3 o'clock, and we are back at the Bar Island Trail. Kind of funny, we checked it out yesterday. I came back today thinking that there would not be many people because it's a weekday, but it's the exact opposite. When we were there yesterday, hardly anyone was out. Today it's packed. It's kind of like a regular beach kind of feel. What makes this trail unique? Well, it's one of the few places where you can walk from one island to another when the tide is low.
I guess it's not often that you can say that you've walked to an island. Pretty cool.
One of the neat things about being over here on the island is the view that we have of the mountains that are part of the rest of the park. I don't know which is which. I'm gonna guess that's Cadillac Mountain up there. And maybe that's where I climbed yesterday for the beehive.
And that one over there is the Rockies.
It's fun exploring this island. We didn't really stick to the main trail, I don't think. There was this little trail that hugged the edge of the island. And it's kind of fun exploring. We have to get back before the tide changes too much, and we also want to see a little bit more of the park. I think today's going to be our last day at Acadia. We're not 100% sure, but I think so. We didn't finish the loop around Acadia yet, so I think we're going to go back and try to do some of that now. It doesn't appear that the town of Bar Harbor enforces their parking much. We're in the RV parking area, and there's a few, but most are cars that are here. We're back in the park on the loop drive, and we've only made it to a certain point in the last several days, not even halfway around the loop. So today, we're finally getting past that point. We're almost there. I'm so excited.
Determined to get a clean shot.
here's Bar Harbor, and here is the loop trail that we've been doing. Here is Sand Beach and Thunder Hole where we've been. So now we are doing all of this. See anything down there?
Yeah, some birds.
No whales or seals or orangutans. Hey, BB. What you doing? You like Acadia? Yeah, do you like Acadia? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Stinker. She's so grouchy, doesn't she? She's so grouchy. Our next stop is Jordan Pond. We're here just checking it out. We're gonna go up to the observation deck and then walk down to the water. What a pretty view, especially with all the wildflowers. And the sun is just touching the tops of the mountains and trees right around here.
It's actually not too bad.
It's probably warmer than the water was in the bathroom. My hands are freezing.
Yeah, that water was cold.
Very beautiful here. Well, the sun is starting to set, and we just passed a little overlook where you could see, I think it's called Eagle Lake. I think we're going to try to get a spot and make some dinner while the sun sets. Not a bad way to end our day.
It's dinner time. Just reheating some leftover spaghetti and meatballs.
Look at this view. Wow, the sun is going down right now. It's like a big ball of fire. So pretty.
Dinner's ready. Well, not really ready until you add some Parmesan cheese. Now it's ready.
This is our last night in the Bar Harbor, Acadia area. We came back to the Ellsworth Walmart, and I would say I could easily have spent a week, at least a lot more time here in Acadia. I just love Maine. We're looking forward to seeing more of Maine, but the park itself just has so much to do. And I guess I've really enjoyed the fact that we've been slowing down and we haven't had any really set itinerary. It's been really nice just to take our time and just do whatever we feel like every day. And it has been absolutely beautiful. What have you thought about it?
I love Acadia as well. Beautiful scenery. I am perplexed, though. I don't understand the name because I didn't see one arcade in the whole place.
No Miss Pac-Man?
No.
Does that make the van rating lower? So what do you give it for a van rating then?
I was going to give it a 5, but gotta give it a 4.
I give it a 5. I give it 5 vans. And one of the things that I think is really cool about the area is how drastically the tide changes. I don't think we really captured it well as we were driving, But driving in and out of Acadia, like from Ellsworth each day, it was neat at different times. Like one day, you know, the tide being so low, and the next it all filled in with water. It's really cool to see how much that changes. And also the other thing we love about Acadia is we've got beach, woods, and mountains. It's like the best of all three worlds.
Yeah.
So we have had a fabulous time.
Well, this is where we're going to leave you for this video. Thanks as always for watching. We appreciate you and all the support you guys give us. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. We love hearing from you, so drop us a comment as well.
And consider being a Patreon if you want. We've got a few already. Join our little tribe, follow along on our adventures, and join us next time.
See ya.
Bye, guys.
What are you doing? What's got you, little kitty? What are you doing?
It's about our only bonding time. So let me hold her like this for, I don't know, 30 seconds.
Yeah, she's a mama's girl, huh? You let Daddy hold you for a little bit?